This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Carmen Sanchez. Location you won't want to miss it. This solid block-built property is located on a cul-de-sac in a friendly neighborhood. With a privacy backyard. The AC was updated 2015 and roof was replaced 2017. This property has solar panels for your convenience, to lower your electric bills. The garage was converted to a fourth bedroom with lots of privacy and side door to include bathroom and small kitchenette studio, with heating and cooling. You'll love the kitchen with granite countertops and bathrooms and included stainless steel appliances. This property has easy access to the airport, schools, restaurants, and shopping. This lovely home is waiting for you. For more information, review the details below or contact